Alrighty, fan collectors, it's WeFire88 here with another fan video. What we're looking at today is a beautiful 52-inch brass Hunter R&M original. This was the third fan I got out of that real estate office. They were replacing all their fans. There's just those slimlines in this. This was like a surprise fan because I had no idea that it was in there until the guy said he had a third one. But there's your tag. I'm assuming it's from '74 there. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's got it's in pretty good shape. Oak blades seem to be in pretty good shape as well. Got all paint spots all on the top of it. It's got a genuine R&M light kit with handmade tulip shades, and I only think that because look, back before everything was made with machines and stuff. So yeah, get on with the demo. Here's the light. Another thing I will mention, none of the blades are really split except for one that's like starting to, but that's kind of a rare thing you find on these, is not split blades. This is a 2.5 amp original, and this is a 2-speed only fan. It's got a fast low speed. It's like in between medium and low, I would say. Just enough to blow a good breeze. Alone with the grating that's next to it that you can see spinning. That on medium, like, no, that thing on high blows enough air. Like this thing on low blows enough air to you know, and then that on high, and then the grating on high would be just on par with breeze. So there you go. And obviously performance is excellent considering it's an original. But yeah. Forgot to mention, it didn't come with the canopy or the rubber thing that you see that's hanging on. That's off of another original I have. I think I said canopy. Yeah, it didn't come with the canopy. It didn't come with the little U mounting bracket, but that's no big deal. I can always find one on eBay, I guess. So yeah. Probably been 2 minutes in low speed now. Here's high. Does have a hum to it, but it doesn't bother me. Breeze is excellent, just like how they all are. And it's powerful, of course. light again. And here's spin down. I will say though, the blade pitch in comparison to my 88 original, I would say this has more blade pitch than the 88 does. Though I could be seeing things though. Probably could use some oil, but as you can see, it has stopped. I will end the video here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.